Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Carmel Valley, California. Who would have thought, guys? Check how beautiful this place is. We are going to be testing out the new Acura TLX Type S for the first time in the next couple of days. Just got my first chance to look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous in that tiger eye pearl. The metallic in it is absolutely stunning. Got to see the engine. Can't wait to see how the engine performs tomorrow at Laguna Seca. Guys, I even saw the racetrack while I was flying over, like fairy tale stuff. The interior is gorgeous. The badges are loud and proud. I cannot wait to test the new Type S tomorrow. Guys, put down in the comments what you would like to see out of my hands-on reviews. I'm going to take it to the track, like I said, Laguna Seca. I'm also going to take it on a more picturesque city drive. I don't know which one I'm more excited for because it's just so gorgeous out here that I want to drive in the canyons, around the mountains, around the valleys, all along the coast, go down to Monterey, or as they say, Monterey. They don't pronounce the T. But anyways, guys, I'll see you in the comments. Make sure to smash the like button if you're excited for the Acura TLX Type S. Wow, turbo V6, bring it on. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video.